So with it, it says this in Luke 6:45. The good man out of the good treasure of his heart brings forth what is good, and the evil man out of the evil treasure brings forth what is evil. For his mouth speaks from that which fills his heart. Matthew 12:34 and 35 reads as such. You brood of vipers, how can you, being evil, speak what is good? For the mouth speaks out of that which fills the heart. The good man brings out of his good treasure what is good, and the evil man brings out of his evil treasure what is evil. Proverbs 23:6-7. Do not eat the bread of a selfish man, or desire his delicacies, for as he thinks within himself, so he is. You want to know how a person truly is? See or listen to what they speak. Jesus says that from the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks.